Today I am going to install the Sentinel Print Management Solutions from ePaper Limited. I'll be doing it in a series of videos. I'm not an employee of ePaper Limited, or I don't have any relation with ePaper Limited. I do have experience in different print management solutions which are available in the market, and I feel that the solution Sentinel Print Management from ePaper Limited is one of the strong available in the market. And these are the common benefits that we are gaining when we have a properly implemented print management program. And a pretty good print management program can achieve up to 30% savings on all in-house printing. So these are the benefits that we are getting when we are implementing Sentinel Print Management solution. I am not elaborating them since I'll be concentrating more on the implementation part. And this is the few features that we are getting when we are installing the Sentinel. And the Sentinel Print Management solution allows us to pin release, card release, biometric release of the print jobs, and secure print and QR codes and NFC tags, mobile print release, API client, and uses universal print driver, and it's enhanced security, and the role-based printing and limited customization is possible. Print output engine designer, multi-site printing, quotas and billing, print reporting, serverless printing, load balance, guest pricing, private cloud, toner optimization, managed print services, integrates with existing printing infrastructure, and it opens the possibility to save money, toner, paper, electricity, and costly maintenance for the organization. On the next slide onwards, I'll be going directly to the installation part. Thanks for watching.